All right, so we got them all hooked up, and now we're gonna go, up the hill. My tires, as you can see, they're completely packed up. When this happens, you hardly get any grip. So I'm gonna activate the lockers and, see how we do. Hey guys, Rhino here, and Happy New Year's to you. Today is January 2nd, and I just got a call from a couple that they've been stranded by Lytle Creek for 2 days now. I'm not sure if they spent New Year's stuck over there or what, to be honest. I haven't get the full details yet. However, they just got a hold of me. They called me, they said, come get them out. They're stuck on a 4Runner. The 4x4 went out, I believe, so they're riding on 2 wheels only, but they got stuck in mud or dry sand. I don't remember. However, once I get there, I'll keep recording, and thank you guys for coming along. Okay, so according to the map, I should be able to see them here, up there somewhere. So Google Maps sends me up to this point. From here on, I gotta figure out, what trails I need to take. They should be, straight shot, forward or up. So I gotta go look for some trails and, to find them. So let's go. Okay, I found the trail. So let's go. Let's see if we can find them. I found it. If anybody got stuck over here, let me know. I'll come get you out. If this is your Jeep, let me know. Nice bottle of water. Let's go. I'm still driving on 2-wheel drive, so hopefully we're all right. I should be able to find them at the end of this trail right here. So we'll see. Now hopefully there's enough room for me to turn around somewhere, because this this trail is kind of narrow. We have room. Another nice bottle. Okay, and just keep going straight. Whoa, 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 whoa. What's going on here? What's going on here? I didn't see none of that. What happened there? Let me see. I didn't see that right there, and I went too far to the right, so I fell into the rut right there with water. So I was sliding. It was a little bit scary because I didn't see it. However, it's not that difficult. It wasn't that dangerous, but nevertheless, because I didn't know about it, or I didn't see it, kind of like. Oh, there's a little. Whoa. Man, there's a steep hill here with a bunch of mud. I'm sliding. I'm sliding sideways. Anyway, we made it through. Look at the view right there. Beautiful. A little bit more water. Oh, I'm completely sliding. What in the world is going on here? Man, you see that? It was just a puddle, but it made me go sideways completely. And I was getting stuck. Huh. What about that? Okay, we should be able to see them any second now. So let's keep going. There they are. Alright, so I think we have enough room to turn around and whatnot. So they came here, they reached the end of the trail. When they tried to back up, I guess their 4x4 went out and they're on two-wheel drive. So they're stuck. Let's go check it out. So for how long have you been here?
How long? We got here last night.
Oh, okay. So just last night. I thought you spent New Year's here.
Huh? No.
No? Oh, that's good.
Well, you got a quad on it, yeah. So what you're gonna have to do is just pull me up. It drives, but it doesn't have four-wheel drive.
Four-wheel drive went out?
Yeah, I guess, man. It doesn't want to turn. So, I mean, if I did, I'd be able to get out. But when I start up and put it in reverse with the four-wheel drive, the back, this wheel spins, nothing else spins.
Yeah, I got. You see my tires? I got big tires with the mud tires, but they're all caked up, you know. And I was sliding. What's up with the Hummer?
Huh?
What's up with the Hummer?
Oh, we were digging rocks to get.
Oh, I see. So yeah, this is the end of the trail here. You can see the river right there, the river bottom, and also Lytle Creek Road. Okay, so I got them all hooked up. The plan is to pull them backwards up to this level, you know, ground level up here. I will be up there on the clearing, turn around, and then pull them all the way out from here. So we'll see how everything goes. Okay, I know it doesn't seem difficult, but a little while when I went through here, you know, it was like really hard for me. I almost got stuck. And then we have the hill up there, which is very muddy, and you know, and I was sliding also. So I gotta hook them up and pull them, you know, pull both of our weights up there. So wish us luck. Let's see how it goes. All right, so we got them all hooked up, and now we're gonna go, you know, up the hill. My tires, as you can see, they're completely packed up. You know, when this happens, you hardly get any grip. So I'm gonna activate the lockers and, you know, see how we do. All right, let's see how we do here. Whoa, I'm going sideways, but I'm able to pull through with the locker. Oh yeah, I'm sliding a lot. I'm pulling him, which is good. Now we're going up this hill. This hill is gonna be a little bit more challenging. Oh yeah, let's go Reno, let's go Reno, let's go. Oh snap, we made it up the hill, so let's keep going. I thought it would be a lot more difficult, to be honest. I'm still sliding though, don't get me wrong. You know, I'm still sliding sideways a little bit here and there, but so far so good. Let's see up on this one right here. some water again. Okay, here comes the longest one. Let's see. Cake. Okay guys, so the rest of the trail was like fairly easy. He was able to do it on his own. So he's out. We're right at the head of the trail. So he's going home, we're going home. Thank you guys for watching and we'll see you next time.